Yes, this is the last exercise for indefinite tense, future indefinite. In passive voice, what helping verb we will use? Shall and will of future indefinite tense will convert it into shall be and will be in passive voice. So top heading, future indefinite, then question, change the following into passive voice. Get the sentence of active. She will paste the pictures. Will paste means it is future indefinite. So this will converted into will be. Let's see, the object is the picture. The pictures will be third form of verb, pasted, preposition by, and she will convert it into her. The pictures will be pasted by her. Next sentence, they will buy some toys. Toys are object. Here additional is some toys. So this will come at the beginning. Some toys will be converted into will be. Then third form of verb bought. Then preposition by, and they will convert it into them. Some toys will be bought by them. Next sentence is I shall complete the work. The work is our object. The object will in the beginning in passive. The work shall will converted into will be because with work will come. The work will be third form of verb completed, then preposition by, and I will converted into me. The work will be completed by me. Next sentence, he will attend the wedding tonight. Tonight is additional adverb, so it will come at the last. He will attend. What he will attend? The wedding. The wedding is the object. It will come at the beginning in passive. The wedding will be converted into will be, then third form of verb, attended, preposition by, and he will change into him. And the additional part of the sentence will come at the last, tonight. The wedding will be attended by him tonight. Now let's see the last sentence. The policeman will chase the thief. Policeman, what policeman is doing? Action is chase, and what he is chasing for? The thief. Thief is the object. It will come in the beginning in passive. The thief will change into will be. Third form of the verb chased, preposition by, and then subject will come the policeman. So what will be the sentence? The thief will be chased by the policeman. Just have a look of the working. In a very proper way, neat and clean, after leaving line space, sentence and question with black and answer with blue. In this way you have to do your work in your copy. Hopefully you will understand the voices of the 3 indefinite tense. In next video we'll start the perfect tense. Till then, Allah.